I'm regularly asked, how do I get to be a successful voiceover artist like you? Well, you don't need to have 40 years of experience like old me. I mean, if you follow my guidance, you can hit the ground running and not make the mistakes I made when I was starting out all those years ago. So, are you ready for 3 minutes of solid gold useful tips coming your way? If I'm going too fast for you, please check out the more detailed videos at voiceovermasterclass.com. Oh, and by the way, before we start, thanks very much for watching my YouTube videos. 5.5 million of you have now viewed the voiceovermasterclass.com videos. So thanks for subscribing and learning from the many videos we've produced over the years. Hope they're useful. Okay, here we go then. The secrets of voiceover success. Here's what you need to do or to own. Start the clock on my little timer. You'll need a quality large diaphragm microphone and pop filter, a quiet recording area with minimum reverberations, and ideally a professional voice booth, a solid-state computer or laptop with ultra-quiet fans, audio recording software such as Adobe Audition or the free ones Audacity, NCH WavePad, plus fast and wired internet. A set of professional show reels or demos, including a killer compilation reel showing off your voice and its versatility, plus at least separate demos in these categories: TV and radio commercials, corporate promos, medical and pharma scripts, VOG, Voice of God, business conference and event announcements, training and e-learning, documentary narration, phone prompts, audiobook excerpts maybe, and a demo reel featuring your character voices and accents. A website of your very own, not a Facebook page, not an Instagram channel. Look, serious clients, would they ever look there on social media? Your URL of your website should include your name and a term to do with voice work, and this will generate a professional email address that shows potential clients you're serious. Forget Gmail, forget any free domestic email system. You're a pro now. Use your own domain. On your website's homepage, without asking the visitor to scroll down too much, you need all your demo reels, a way for visitors to download them as MP3s, a clear and attractive photo taken ideally in your booth, plus include your email address and phone numbers. A lot of people forget this. Don't you want clients to contact you? Forget using an annoying fill-in web form on your website. Offer a direct email that's clickable, right? Then, get on the many free voiceover directory platforms or gig sites out there. Most you may only get a few jobs a year on, but sometimes you can get many more regular and lucrative jobs. It's a no-brainer to get on all the free directory sites out there. Most of them will use the same photo, the same About You paragraph, and demo reels. No problem. Start direct email marketing, one potential client at a time, found by Googling production companies and casting agents that other voice agents rarely will find using the techniques I explain in my courses. Don't forget to keep the message short, honest, and powerful. Think what's in it for the person you're emailing. Why would they want you on their voiceover roster? And don't forget to create a clear and professional email sign-off graphic that reflects the colors and fonts of your website. Include this on your sign-off, of course, all your contact details, as well as professional accreditations, any awards you've got, your limited company details if you have one, and if you're a Source Connect user, your Source Connect username. Right, well there we go, 3 minutes, and I've now got more urgent scripts to record myself, so I'm afraid if you'd like a similar busy situation for yourself, I haven't got time to tell you anymore. Just follow my tips and advice you'll find at voiceovermasterclass.com. Voiceovermasterclass.com, it's all there for you. I hope you found all this useful. Good luck.